Well, today we welcome you to an interesting video brought by Around the World. Today we are going to look at a country that is at the forefront of the rich countries. Yes, it is Switzerland. Switzerland has a land area of 41,285 square kilometers. The population here is about 8.8 million, and this country is governed by a federal council. Okay, let's go to the video.
Number 1, Bernese Oberland.
A territory in Switzerland's canton of Bern, the Bernese Oberland is situated south of the nation's capital. The Eiger, Mönch, and Jungfrau are three well-known high peaks in the area, which is renowned for its breathtaking natural beauty. It is a well-liked location for outdoor pursuits including mountain climbing, snowboarding, hiking, and skiing. Along with offering a variety of lodging options and tourist attractions, the charming towns and villages of Grindelwald, Wengen, Lauterbrunnen, and Interlaken can be found in the Bernese Oberland. Major Swiss towns are readily reached by train, and there are many of hiking and bike paths that let tourists discover the region's natural splendor.
Number 2, Alps.
Around 60% of Switzerland's territory is taken up by the breathtaking Swiss Alps, a mountain range that spans the whole nation. Millions of people visit them every year due to its magnificent natural beauty, which includes snow-capped peaks, glaciers, and crystal-clear lakes. The Alps are a well-liked location for both summer activities like hiking, mountain biking, and paragliding, as well as winter sports like skiing and snowboarding. Visitors may also tour charming alpine towns and villages like Zermatt, St. Moritz, and Interlaken in addition to participating in outdoor sports. The Swiss Alps are a must-visit location for anybody visiting Switzerland because they provide a distinctive fusion of scenic beauty, outdoor activity, and cultural encounters.
Number 3, Geneva.
The city of Geneva is situated in Switzerland's western region. It is Switzerland's second largest city and well known for its role in international diplomacy, gorgeous natural surroundings, and extensive history. The United Nations, the World Health Organization, and the International Red Cross are just a few of the international organizations with offices in Geneva. Visitors may take in breathtaking views of Lake Geneva and the neighboring Alps from the city's location on its beach. Along with its upscale dining, museums, and theater, Geneva is renowned for its upscale shopping. Geneva's Old Town is a quaint neighborhood with beautiful streets and old-fashioned buildings. All things considered, Geneva is a must-visit location for everyone interested in world affairs, culture, and the natural world.
Number 4, Rhine Falls.
One of the biggest waterfalls in Europe is the Rhine Falls, which can be found in the Swiss canton of Schaffhausen. It is a well-liked tourist destination. The Rhine River rushes over a rocky outcrop to produce the falls, which are a stunning cascade of water that drop around 23 meters. By taking a boat trip that brings them close to the waterfall's base, tourists may experience the force of the falls. The falls and the surrounding natural splendor may be seen from a number of viewing platforms and hiking routes. The Rhine Falls are accessible all year round, but the summer, when the water flow is at its peak, is when they are most picturesque. It is a place that you just must go.
Number 5, Sierre.
Switzerland's Valais canton includes the town of Sierre. It is renowned for its wine, culture, and outdoor pursuits including skiing and hiking, and is situated in the Rhone Valley. With a population of around 17,000, Sierre is the biggest town in the Sierre area. With a railway station that connects it to significant cities like Geneva, Zurich, and Bern, it serves as a key transit center.